remain standing as we pay homage to our beloved nation as we unite in the singing of the Philippine National Anthem by the Domingo National High School Marching Band, trained by Mr. Domingo.
This will be followed by the singing of the delicate Albay hymn to the land by the Santo Domingo Teachers Union.
Dr. Nina Elmador, thank you, sir. And now, to formally welcome us in this momentous event, may I request Mr. Charles Armin B. Balute of Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics with high honors for the welcome address.
Know you oneself. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one stop. For our esteemed guest speaker, Mr. Albay Baloloy. For our distinguished guest,
shall now proceed to the presentation of the candidates for graduation. To do the honors of presenting this school year's candidates for graduation,
Sir Edison L. Maliacre, Education Program Supervisor for the LRMS, and PO Representative. Sir, I have the honor to present to you Sir, I have the honor to present to you 402 candidates for graduation, 234 of whom are male, and 168 female. Sir, they have satisfactorily completed the requirement prescribed by the Department of Education under the K-12 Senior High Curriculum. They are now ready for your confirmation.
By the authority vested in me by the school's division superintendent, Dr. Marioles of SD Albay, and for having been presented by Dr. Ellen Abadientos, Principal 2 of Santo Domingo National High School, that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the senior high school curriculum under the K-12 program as prescribed by the Department of Education. I hereby confirm you graduates of Senior High School of Santo Domingo, Albay for school year 23-24 this 3rd day of May 2024. Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you, Sir Edison. And to read the messages of the Deputy Secretary and the Schools Division Superintendent, may we call on stage again our Education Program Supervisor, Learning Resources Management Section, Sir Edison L. Mayap.
Thank you very much. To my very good friend, Dr. Ellen Abadientos, the principal of this. A pleasant afternoon to all of you. It is my honor to read to you as the representative of our superintendent the message, the congratulatory message of our beloved secretary.
official during the 7th graduation rites for the senior high school with the theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Given this 30th day of May 2024 at Santo Domingo National High School, San Rafael, Santo Domingo, Albay. Signed, Dr. Ellen B. Abarientos, Secondary School Principal 2, and Joel B. Valieta, Public School District Supervisor. We also have Sally Kim and our Assistant Principal of Cordilo Elementary.
To our esteemed guest, SDO representative, Sir Edison L. Maliacre, Education Program Supervisor of the Learning Resource Management Section, our quick-witted and accommodating principal, in welcoming one of the pride of Santo Domingo National High School, Mr. Albay B. Maloloy.
Thank you so much, Domingo, para sa iyong kompleto at magandang introduction. Okay. Sa mga pinamahal namin mga magulang, kumusta kayo yan sa Domingo? Sa mga guro, teaching and non-teaching personnel, nagpatatag ng inyong mga pundasyon. Nagsisimula ang lahat sa tahanan. Sila ang inyong unang guro at mga kaibigan. Alam ko na marami silang naturo mula pagkabata hanggang sa ngayon. Alam ko na marami dito ang iginapang ng kanilang mga mag-aaral, ang kanilang edukasyon para makuha ang inyong diploma. At kapag titingnan ko kayo ngayon, nasasalamin niyo ang maraming taong sakripisyo ng inyong mga magulang. Kaya naman, pwede ba natin bigyan ng isang masigabong palakpakan ng ating mga magulang? Maliban sa pamilya, sunod ang paaralan. Sila ang sunod na nagpapatatag ng ating mga pundasyon. Nandiyan ang mga guro natin na nagbigay kaalaman at kausayan sa kanila.
Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Given this 30th day of May 2024 at Santo Domingo National High School, San Rafael, Santo Domingo, Albay. Signed, Dr. Ellen B. Abariento, Secondary School Principal 2, and Joel B. Villeta, Public School District Supervisor. We also have on stage our junior high school advisor, Mr. Addison Palino. Once again, our guest of honor, Mr. Alvin B. Malon.
Advisor. Domingo Sani P. Gonzalo Rodemar C. Rodriguez Jacob P. Edmundo Jodel P. Arevalo
San Miguel Justice Mars. Albay Asabe, Advisor.
Rachel Truck Industrial Arts Track, Automotive Servicing B. Balani RJP. Balantes Terrence E. Balaoro Errol C. Balbin Junior Nino M. Valderrama Armel J. A.
It's time to honor our extraordinary students' outstanding accomplishments. We also have a special recognition for graduates who have displayed remarkable leadership skills, community involvement, and positive contributions to the school.
We will be awarding medals and certificates to honor graduates and awardees for the
Present Mary Angel S. Need honors best in innovation.
Alicia L. with honors.
Babas Lani Joy O with honors.
Balete Eliza Payne A. with honors.
Balidoy Jumana JP with honors.
Domingo Raymond A. with honors.
Ano siya? Nakikita pa lang natin.
Benedict Nika A with honors.
Valicero Hannah Kathleen B. with honors. 7th place, Master League 2024. Champion Musical League, Yvette Bangor.
Valmes RJP with honors. Again, for the awardees, you can take the right side of the stage for your photo opportunity. Thank you.
Manolo Genevieve A. with honors.
Maloloy Kenji AP with honors.
Banasao Janelle L. with honors.
Bangda Corinne P with honors.
Domingo Benedict L. with honors. Character Awardee as Makakalikasan.
Vanilla Maria Teresa P with honors.
Bansawe Alexa A. with honors.
Gonzalez Josephine B with honors.
Banta Sarah Marie A. with honors.
Baton Jeneline E with honors. Character awardee as Makabansa.
Academic Flag, General Academic Flag. Magneto Mark Justin P. with honors.
Vance Anthony B with honors.
Dennis Erica B. with honors. Guarino Jubilee G with honors. Character awardee Asmahate Tessa.
Lazaro Kira Luis A. with honors.
Lisa Larissa P with honors.
Velasco Donalyn M. with honors.
Nunez Nicole S with honors.
Pastrana Ariel P. with honors. Alright, we thank you, Helen, Sir, and Sir Balawan for your assistance. And now we will request to award the certificates and medals of Ma'am Sir Domingo, Ma'am Sally, and our Honorable Barangay, Sir Rodriguez. And also thank you, Ma'am, for your assistance.
Peñafort Antoinette P with honors.
Resurrection Martel P. with honors.
Rivera Noel R with honors. And character awardee Asma Jos.
Rodriguez Abigail G. with honors.
Rodriguez
Udah ganun yun, sige. Pwede, pwede. Ang gagalaw, diba? 1, 2, 3. Okay na.
Bet niya kaya si Vincent tulad ko. Pati bakla.
Alright, thank you, Sir Chris, for your assistance. We shall now continue our... Alright, so we shall now continue our program. Again, may I request all the graduates to please be seated. We are not yet done with the program. Thank you.
Rodriguez, Mr. L. with honors and character awardee as nagatao.
Rodriguez J.O. P. with honors.
Rodriguez, Stephanie N. with honors.
Santos Precious Mara P. with honors.
Valdez Mary Joyce O. with honors. Best in Work Immersion. Character awardee as nagatao.
Ganson Adrian P. with honors.
Arimato Cyril Napoli B. with honors.
Food and Beverage Services NC2 holder. Again, thank you very much, friends and families, for coming for today's graduation ceremony.
Ayala Sherwin A. with honors.
Best in Food and Beverage Services. Food and Beverage Services NC2 holder. Malapit Skyla P. with honors.
Balmayo Nash P. with honors.
Palueta Angelo with honors. Best in Work Immersion.
Bansuela
We shall now have the special awardees. TVO Track Technical Drafting Illustration. Balikoma J. Best in Technical Drafting.
Thank you to our graduates and awardees for their proud parents. And also thank you to our guest speaker, Mr. Alvin Baloy, Dr. Colin P. Abariano, Sir Neil L. Mayor, Sir Rodriguez Ma'am Sally Albay. Once again, congratulations to all the awardees. Let's give them a big round of applause.
And now, it is our pleasure of acknowledging our loyalty awardees and school stakeholders. And now may we request to assist in the awarding of the Certificate of Appreciation, Ma'am Lorna, and for the loyalty awards. Our GPTA President, Ma'am Faye Aguilo, and also may we request the presence of our head teacher in science, Ma'am Vilma Suarez. Thank you, Rita. And now let's have the loyalty awardees for school year 2023-2024. Grade 12 STEM, Mr. and Mrs. Romeo B. Abranica of Nagsha, Santo Domingo, Albay. Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mrs. Aura B. Malumbay of Piloso Tila, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mrs. Vera B. Baleta of San Roque, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Soriata C. Vilado of San Angel, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Negra P. of San Juan Concepcion, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Leon Tolentino of San Isidro, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Again, Mrs. Dila Tolentino of Santa Misericordia, Santo Domingo, Albay. Mr. Romeo S. Albay of San Isidro, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Marvel Nazarita of San Rafael, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Analizo Valladolid of Cabayuca, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. John
Grade 12 Class B from Cookery, CSSDD, ESA, and ASP. Again, we understand that the venue is not that well ventilated, but please respect the ceremony. Thank you. Again, graduates, please go back to your seats. Thank you very much. Grade 12 Class A, Mr. and Mrs. Rodel and Malahoro of San Vicente, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Andrea C. Palawar of San Isidro, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Rodolfo and Malvin of Fidel Sortida, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Gilbert B. Valderrama of Santo Domingo, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Rico B. Valderrama of San Isidro, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Ernesto B. Balestero of San Isidro, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Carlos G. Domingo of San Isidro, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mrs. Maricho B. Rodriguez of San Roque, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Elmer D. Tripuca of Fidel Sortida, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Genesis B. Balana of San Vicente, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Rolando B. Vanilla of San Roque, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Stephen B. Basin of San Bashor, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Wilson B. Batalier of the Cities, Sakakay, Albay.
Mr. Mr. and Mrs. Antonio Quintin Lacroix of Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Jose P. Aranda of San Vicente, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Nora B. Panabaldo of San Isidro, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Grade 1, Class C. Mr. and Mrs. Nestor B. Valderrama of Bagong San Roque, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Lorna Banga of San Andres, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Marjorie Lisa of San Domingo, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Grade 12 Cookery. Mrs. Teresita E. Cruzano of Kalayutan, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Luis A. Rivero of San Andres, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mrs. Margina B. Aulet of San Rafael, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. Roberto B. Laito of Naksha, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mrs.
Grade 12, Automotive Service A. Mrs. Ravi Ferolin Baltin of San Rafael, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Bobby Banyaran of San Isidro, Santo Domingo, Albay.
And Mr. and Mrs. Ramel J. Rodriguez of Vidal Sortida, Santo Domingo, Albay. Grade 12, ASB, Mrs. Aida Balahoro of San Isidro, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mrs. Yolanda Valderrama of Vidal Sortida, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mrs. Julieta Valderrama of Calayucan, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Natividad Caldejo of San Roque, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mrs. Maria Paz Barba of Calayucan, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mr. and Mrs. Emily Baritas of San Andres, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Mrs. Emilita Paramedra of San Andres, Santo Domingo, Albay.
And Mr. and Mrs. Veronica Lundasa of San Antonio, Santo Domingo, Albay.
Once again, let us give a round of applause for our Loyalty Award. And now we shall award the Certificate of Appreciation to our stakeholders. Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Honorable Alan B. Rodriguez as the Barangay Captain who assisted the school year 2023 and 2024, given this 30th day of May 2024 at Santo Domingo National High School, Santo Domingo, Albay. Signed, Ellen B. Abarrientos, Secondary School Principal 2. May we request the presence of Ma'am Ellen to award the certificate. Every success is built on the support and kindness of others. Let's welcome Mr. J. Lawrence B. Mendoza with high honors of Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics to express gratitude on behalf of the graduating class. A round of applause, please.
So,
Winston Churchill once said, "Success is not final. Failures are not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." To our guest speaker, Mr. Alvin Balaloy, Distinguished Educational Program Supervisor, Mr. Edison Maliapre, to our former Assistant Principal, Sir Nilo L. Mayor, Barangay Captain Honorable Alan Rodriguez, Ms. Sandra Bernedo from Dominican Scholarship Assistance Fund Incorporated, respected GPTA President Mrs. Fe Aguilo, GPTA Treasurer Mrs. Lorna Balaoro, our supportive and motherly principal, Ma'am Ellen B. Abarrientos, committed teaching and non-teaching personnel, parents, and my fellow graduates, a pleasant evening to each and every one of you. Today marks a significant milestone in our lives, the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. As we gather here to celebrate our achievements, I am filled with a profound sense of gratitude, pride, and nostalgia for the memories we have created and lessons that we have learned. In our academic journey, each of us has woven threads of perseverance, determination, and resilience. Much like how integration combines countless moments into a meaningful whole, every unique experience, challenges, achievements, and failures I have experienced in my life has woven together to contribute to my overall growth and success. During my senior high school journey, adjusting to face-to-face classes is challenging, especially after the period of modular distance learning. I'm not used to waking up early anymore. I felt shy when I introduced myself to my teachers and classmates, and felt nervous during reporting and recitations. Luckily, with the help of my teachers and friends, I have still been able to adjust, excel academically, and be comfortable with the environment around me. With my renewed confidence, I started to join in radio broadcasting, and at the same time, I'm also the one who's chosen to compete in math fair. I remember when I got flu 3 days before the math fair competition. I was filled with doubt, fear, and overthinking that maybe because of my sickness, I would not be able to perform well and lose in this competition. But with my determination and motivation I received from my coach, parents, and friends, I have still been able to overcome my struggle and bring home the bacon. After the math fair, the division school's press conference followed. In the upcoming radio broadcasting competition, my teammates and I have been practicing for almost 12 hours every day for more than 1 month. Our dedication to our training and eagerness to win have resulted in qualifying in regional schools press conference. However, fate dealt us a bitter blow as we faced defeat in RSPC. Despite gaining experience in the competition, the disappointment of not qualifying for the next round lingered, casting a shadow over our efforts. My journey as a journalist feels like chasing a rainbow's end. No matter how close I get, my NSPC dream remains just out of reach. Like an asymptote in math, my goals loom ever closer, yet seem to dance just beyond my fingertips, reminding me that the journey is as valuable as the destination. Despite my success, shadows of doubt and moments of defeat have also colored my path. There are times when I didn't win, times when overthinking and self-doubt crept in, whispering through my ears that I wasn't good enough. Those moments of uncertainty and struggles are the hardest to overcome. Yet, it was during this time when I learned about determination, resilience, and believing in myself. Now, I am proud to say that my efforts have been paid off with a collection of gold, silver, and bronze medals coming from local and regional competitions. These accolades not just stand as a symbol of achievement, but as a testament to the resilience and perseverance that carry me through. Today, I stand before you, full of joy of the memories and achievements we have made in 2 years. All of our hard work and sacrifices, victories and defeats brought us to this day. So, it is only fitting to take a moment to express our deepest thanks to the people behind our success. First and foremost, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to our beloved principal, Ma'am Ellen B. Abarrientos. Your unwavering dedication and commitment as our principal give us an environment for learning and growth. Your leadership have made us feel valued and supported. We thank you for believing in us and taking us through the way. You are forever be appreciated for the inspiration you bring. To our teachers and advisors, our progress as a student is due to your dedication to our education. You gave us the opportunity to cultivate sharp thinking, to explore and question the world we live in. You not only gave us knowledge, but also inspired passion and curiosity. We are very grateful for your guidance and mentorship. To my mathematics coach, Ma'am Eileen A. Mendoza, thank you for repeatedly reminding me of mathematics formulas and techniques back when I was just started training. You teach me not just to be good in a subject, but also how to be responsible and respectful student. Thank you for the trust that you've given to me. I will consider all the help and life lessons that you've taught me as a debt of gratitude. To my coach in Radio Broadcasting Team Filipino, Sir Ronelo Ebuenga, we, the current and the former member of the Radio Broadcasting Team Filipino, consider you as our second father. Thank you for teaching us proper behavior, right attitude, and to accept defeat. I am grateful because you've trusted me to perform my role properly in our team for the past 6 years. I will take all your advices and skills that I have learned from you as my strength in the next chapter of my life as a student. To the school paper advisors, Ma'am Tessa Hilino and Sir Jerry Lenz, thank you for always preparing our excuse letters during our training sessions. I am very grateful for your tireless support on us. Thank you for ensuring our safety and comfort during our competition. To my friends, classmates, and our beauty family, my journey to success was strengthened by our bonds and memories we have created together. We laughed, cried, and learned with each other. We have grown not just an individual, but as a family. Thank you for the late-night study sessions, countless hours of trainings, cooperation, camaraderie, and countless support. Let us also take this opportunity to express our deepest thanks to our parents. May I now request my fellow graduates to please stand and repeat after me. Mama at Papa, salamat sa hindi mabilang ng mga sakripisyo. Sa walang sawa niyong pagmamahal at suporta sa mga pagsubok na ating hinaharap sa buhay. Kayo po ang nagsisilbing lakas sa bawat pangamba at ang aking tagabalakpak
mga tagumpay na aking naranasan. Ang inyong pagtitiwala sa aking kakayahan ang nagbibigay ng lakas ng loob, determinasyon, at motibasyon na magpatuloy sa pagsungkit ng aking mga pangarap sa buhay.
Ako po ay lubusang nagpapasalamat sa inyong paggabay at walang hanggang pagmamahal na pinaparamdam nyo sa akin. Ang mga parangal na aking nakuha ay inaalay ko po para sa inyo. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat mula sa kaibuturan ng aking puso. My fellow graduates, you may now be seated. Last but the most important is to Almighty God. Lord, we thank you for always guiding us, providing us with strength and hope to life challenges that we face. We are grateful that we have been able to achieve this wonderful success through your guidance. Your mercy and grace have been our constant support throughout the journey. I am forever thankful for the presence in your life. As we celebrate our achievements today, I would like you all to be reminded with the saying, success is not measured by the number of medals, but by the number of times we rise from failures. The saying indicates that true success is not only about the awards or recognition we achieve, but about our ability to get up and continue despite of trials and failures. Just like a continuous function which maintains an unbroken, seamless path, life requires steady progress and unwavering effort to achieve success. Setbacks are inevitable, but we must keep moving forward. Every small step matters, especially when things go wrong. Our progress, similar to the smooth flow of such a function, comes from persistent effort, learning from failures and refusing to give up. By staying consistent and pushing through challenges, we can reach our goal just as continuous function steadily moves without stopping. Congratulations to the class of school year 2023 to 2024. May our paths be illuminated by the lights of knowledge and our spirits be guided by the courage to pursue our dream. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mendoza. As a rite of passage, our graduates will now declare their pledge of loyalty to their alma mater.
This will be led by Mr. Charles Arvin B. Balute with high honors of Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics.
My fellow graduates, may I request everyone to please stand. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the graduates of school year 2023, pledge loyalty to the ideas and high standards of our alma mater, for which Domingo High School stands. As we performance, we pledge to be honest to you in whatever undertaking
will be involved in after graduation. We will not have outstanding achievement, but we promise to be good leaders and followers in our community, and to remain ever loyal and true to her. So, help us God. Once again, congratulations to everyone.
Thank you very much, Mr. Balute, and thank you very much, graduates. You may now be seated.
And now, let us all welcome the graduates in singing the Santo Domingo National High School hymn, Ma'am Eva M. Bo conducting.
Graduates, please stand. favorite graduates are now participating. Every grade in that board is the result of many plans. Let's call upon our dedicated principal, Dr. Albay to acknowledge those who contributed to making the ceremony possible. A round of applause, please.
Thank you so much, Scott and Alice. Sa tuyang mabuoto ng supervisor, a very good friend, a confidante, Sir Ed Maliapre. Nakaibakan ko po kaya siya sa CID when I was deployed at the division office. I know we are all in a hurry to go home to satisfy the pampus aniyan. Food on top of the table. Mga 2 hours man lang ako. Can you wait? Okay, thank you. To our former assistant principal, thank you so much, Sir Nilo. Isang message lang, yes kaagad. Thank you for the love, for the support, for everything. To our guest speaker, Sir Alvin. Indeed, he is worthy of emulation. Correct? Okay. Then to our GPTA officers headed by Ma'am Fe Aguilo, to Barangay Captain, Honorable Alan Rodriguez, to my partners, the department heads, andyan pa, si Ma'am Sally, si Ma'am B, asa na kaya yung iba, and to all the teachers, the teaching staff, both junior high school and senior high school, and of course, to the very good Senior High School Coordinator, Ma'am Maylene Mendoza. To the teachers na nandito pa, magkakasama pa tayo, tama nga naman, walang iwanan. To the parents, my dear graduates, to our stakeholders, especially to our beloved Mayor June Aguas, actually, nag-ano si Mayor, dapat andito po siya. Kaya lang, alam natin na marami siya po na dapat na asikasuhin. He is so busy. Kaya, kahit wala siya, physically, he is not around, but sabi niya, his spirit is with us. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Isa ito sa pinakamahalagang okasyon sa buhay ng isang estudyante. Ang makapagtapos ng senior high school. Subalit, sabi nga, this is not the end of your journey if you want to succeed in life. Continue dreaming, soar high, and reach your goals. And kasama dyan ang inyong dreams and aspirations. To our dear parents, thank you so much for all the support. Maski ang mga aki sa Rawayon, maski mga supil, maski mga tinanggap niyo talaga. Sabi nga, walang magulang na magtatakwil ng anak maging sino pa man siya. Tama, mga na ang ina o ama madalion mag-judge. My dear graduates, malaking utang na loob ninyo sa inyong mga magulang, hindi lamang sa buhay na ibinigay sa inyo, kundi ang paghahanda sa inyo na makapagtapos ng pag-aaral at ihanda kayo sa maayos na kinabukasan. Pero muriyaw na talaga makulit. Di ba nagsabi kayo na pwede 2 hours? Anyway, to my dear graduates, to our dear graduates, thank you so much. You did not fail us. You able to make it. And sana, pagdating ng July, wala kaming malalaman na may magpapakasal na. Mga babae, huwag munang mag-aasawa. And kayong mga lalaki, huwag magpapaasawa. Muriyahon man na silang asawahon. Okay. There is always a plan for everything. Sabi nga, failure to plan is planning to fail. So sa lahat ng bagay, kailangan ng pagpaplano. Huwag magmadali. God is good. Bumalik yung kuryente dahil si Ma'am Ellen ang nagsasalita. So, again, my congratulations to all of you. To the parents, salamatunon pong maray. Enot sa Indong Tiwala, sa Santo Domingo National High School, and sa Indong suporta sa mga aki. Honestly, mamimiss ko sa mga pasaway dito. Lahat kayo mamimiss ni Ma'am Ellen. At sa kanang so, tanging dasal ko na sana lahat ng nagtapos sa batch 2023-2024 ay maging successful pagdating ng banyo. Thank you so much, my dear teachers. Thank you so much to our stakeholders, to our guests. Thank you so much, my dear parents. Kaya kung magsasawa magsabing salamat sa inyong mga maturang, salamatunon, mga aki, padabak. Okay? So, good luck and God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Ellen, for that heartfelt message. As we draw near to the end of our graduation ceremony, we would like to take a moment to express our gratitude to everyone who has contributed in the success of this memorable event.
First and foremost, we want to extend a heartfelt appreciation to our graduates. Today, you have reached a significant milestone in your lives, and we are immensely proud of your achievements. Your dedication, hard work, and perseverance have brought you to this moment, and we have no doubt that you will continue to accomplish great things in the future.
We would like also to thank our distinguished guests, faculty members, parents, Families and friends who have joined us today, your presence has added to the joy and celebration of this special occasion, and we are grateful for your unwavering support throughout the years.
As we reflect on the journey that has brought us to this moment, let us cherish the memories we have created together, from the early days of orientation to the late night study sessions and everything in between. Each experience has contributed to the rich tapestry of our academic community.
To our graduates, as you prepare to embark on the next chapter of your life, we urge you to embrace the opportunities that come your way, to pursue your passions with skill, and to never lose sight of your dreams. Remember that the lessons you have learned here will serve as foundation of your future endeavor, and the challenges you face will only make you stronger.
As you bring the ceremony to an end, let us take a moment to celebrate the accomplishments of our graduates and to look forward with hope and optimism. May you go forth from this place with confidence, courage, and a commitment to making a positive impact on the globe.
Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the 7th graduation ceremony of Santo Domingo National High School.
I am Catherine Calleja Balgares, your Lady of Ceremony.
And I am Mr. Iris Valderrama, your Master of Ceremony. And now, we witness the reception. Dakulang salamat asin Diyos mabalos.
Video man kayo.
Ay, kami na nag-costing. Ay, gusto na nga mag-ama. Sumay na niga! Sumay na kami niga! Sumay na kami kami. Unang tulong. Kami naman sila. Kabintang siya, Brigid.
Nandito ako sa Afro Stage. Hindi ko rin alas mo sa akin. You're so beautiful. Hey! What's up, guys? Yes. Please. Umaprotest ako, hindi na lang. Please. Grateful. Ma'am, kahit ilang RRL at RRS pa. Ma'am, kahit ilang RRL at RRS pa, gagawin mo kahit resume, okay lang. At least,
Ma'am Jessica mo, Ma'am Jennifer.
Ito.
yan na po si Franco. Sa inyo. Ingat. So, niya po mga may mga ano na pero ay na lang.
volume. Tigde. One, two. One, two, three. Okay na. One, two. Okay na. Ano? Oh, nag-uli na. Uli na. One, two, three. One, two, three. Okay na po. One, two. One, two. Okay na.
Kita naman ito madali. Mare na, sabay na kayo. Ito baka.
Alat. Alat.